Hi, this article is from travelchinaguide.com and the title for today is Changchun Travel Guide. Changchun in Korean is Changchun, right? It means long spring. Probably the springtime there is long. We never know. So it's a Changchun Travel Guide. Changchun is located next to Jilin, Songwian, Baicheng, Siping, Liaoyuan, Baishan, Tonghua, Yanbian, and also the province, Jilin province, is bordered by bordered with North Korea. Click to enlarge. See, it's the northeast part of China, and there are many Korean Chinese live there. I think in old times it belonged to Korea, but throughout the history it turned over to China. Changchun facts. Chinese name Changchun, Changchun, Changchun. Population 7.5 million people. Area 20,000 square kilometers or almost 8,000 square miles. Location in the central area of northeast China. Administrative division 7 districts: Chaoyang, Nangguan, Huancheng, Erdao, Luoyang, Xuanyang, Jiutai. 1 county, Nong'an. 2 country-level cities, Yushu, Dehui. Area code 0431, zip code 130,000. GDP 2019, CNY Chinese yen 590.41 billion CNY, or roughly $85.58 billion. You may like a top 10 biggest cities in China by area. Not yet. I'm not interested in that. Carol, right? Major Chinese. What? Major Chinese. There's a typo there. S at the end of Chinese should be omitted, deleted. Major Chinese automobile industry base and film city. As the capital of Jilin province, Changchun is the second largest city in northeast China. It is close to Songwian to the northwest, Siping to the southwest, Jilin to the southeast, and Harbin to the northeast. Changchun's name implies the meaning of blessing and auspiciousness. Really, it's not a long spring. It's the meaning of blessing and auspiciousness. However, the city has witnessed a painful history in northern China. From 1931 to 1945, Japan colonized Changchun and established Manchukuo to govern northeastern China, or Manchu country. Thus, most of the Japanese-style architecture has been preserved and opened to the public. In the 1950s and 60s, the construction of a large number of automobile manufacturers laid a good foundation for Changchun's automobile industry. Today, Changchun is still one of the world's important automobile production and research bases. The city is also one of the first Chinese cities to access, dub, and produce films. Okay, so the city is also one of the first Chinese cities to access, dub, and produce films. Changchun Movie Wonderland shows the film culture and history. In addition, The sculpture art has already spread in this city from Changchun World Sculpture Park, which has collected more than 700 sculpture works from all over the world, to the annual sculpture exhibition. In winter, visitors can see the magnificent snow scenery of Changchun and participate in various ice and snow sports and tourism festivals. Tourism festivals. Not just festivals, but tourism festivals. Attractions. It is undeniable that the place is also a good travel destination. The natural sceneries lie in lakes and forests. Changbei Mountain, Changbei-san, Changbek-san in Korean. Nanhu Park, South Lake Park. Nan means south, Hu means lake. Nanhu. Jingwetan National Forest Park are good places for you to enjoy the pleasure given by nature. Especially in winter, the whole city will give you a real enjoyment of genuine winter. Besides, there are colonial vestiges such as Museum of the Imperial Palace of Manchukuo, Badabu, Steel Changchun Film Studio, what the fuck? Jilin Provincial Museum, capital cities and tombs of ancient Goguryeo Kingdom, and movie Wonderland provide you another different kind of enjoyment comparing with simply watching movies in cinemas. Okay, genuine winter. Pleasure given by nature. Undeniable. It is undeniable that the place is also a good travel destination. Transportation. 51 trains begin or pass by Changchun railway station every day. More than 30 domestic airlines and 4 international lines of Changchun Longjia International Airport provide you much convenience of transportation. 4 main speedways have connected the city with many parts of the country. At present, there are 4 special tourist trains having been in use: Changchun to Xiangbai, to Changbei Mountain, to Jilin and Hunchun. At present, there are 4 special tourist trains having been in use in Changchun to Xinghai, to Changbei Mountain, to Jilin, and to Hunchun, right? 51 trains begin or pass by Changchun railway station every day. More than 30 domestic airlines and 4 international airlines of Changchun Longjia International Airport provide you much convenience of transportation. Weather. Yes, it was minus 19, 14, 15. So today is the 24th, and the high was minus 9, the low was minus 16. Changchun, known as a spring city. See, I told you, long spring city of Northland, is of monsoon climate, really locating in the transitional belt from wet area to sub-dry area. The 4 seasons varies a lot, and the Changchun weather is rather pleasant. Therefore, it is honored the spring city of Northland. Spring is dry and windy, very strong wind. There are many winds in spring. Summer is wet and rainy. Really, Korea is also damp, rainy, wet, and rainy. Autumn is sunny and cool. It is same as in Korea. Winter is cold in Korea, colder than Changchun. Generally speaking, rain and heat come in the same season. Besides, favorable climate and enough sunshine provide very good condition for the growth of crops. The area teems with corn and soybean, therefore it is praised as barn. Yeah, a lot of lands are tilled with corns, right? Corn. The area teems with corn and soybean. Changchun travel tips. History. It has suffered a lot of hardships, especially in modern times. In 1931, Japan entered and occupied entire northeast part of China, which can be considered the prelude of Sino-Japan War. Obviously, the city became a colony of Japan on March 1st, 1932. Puyi, the last emperor of China, set up Manchukuo here, supported by Japan, making it as the capital. From then on, brutal rule of Japanese upon Chinese people had begun. After a long time of struggle and resistance, the city finally broke off the ruthless rule, stepping into a normal development. Broke off the ruthless rule is undeniable. Broke off the ruthless rule. Broke off the ruthless rule. Broke off the ruthless rule. Local highlights. Compared with other historical cities in the country like Beijing and Xi'an, this city is a young one with only 200 years history. However, the present city is charming with several fine names which can give you a general impression of this big city. Forest City, city of automobiles. Forest City, woods, forest, people, city interweave together to show you a distinctive characteristic of the city. 39% of the city's ground has been clothed with greenage, which makes it one of top cities in this aspect. Green plants in and around make the city become a big oxygen bar, providing people to enjoy real fresh air. City of automobiles. Automobiles. The city is the cradle of Chinese automobile industry. Automobile industry, a famous auto city in the country. On July 13th, 1956, a truck branded with Jiefang was produced, which opened a new age for the country's auto industry. This truck was the first automobile entirely made by Chinese. Famous international automobile fair makes it a real city of automobiles. City of films. Changchun Film Studio was the first one after the found of PRC. I think after the founding of PRC is correct, not found. It is praised as the cradle of the country's film industry. It is praised as the cradle of the country's film industry. For dozens of years, a great many excellent domestic films and dubbed films were produced here, which gained a good fame for the film studio, both at home and abroad. As a calling card, the ceremonious Changchun Film Festival has enhanced its honor city of film. Film is an intermedium. The outsiders have known more about this city through film, while the city has presented more of itself by films. Nightlife. China, there's some nightlife. I saw many stores open in the night. So I guess people drink as I did there 2 weeks ago. or 1 week ago to be exact. Nightlife. The nightlife here is not as colorful and romantic as that of other big cities in China, such as Shanghai, Beijing. However, it has its own distinctive flavor, which can be only known after you taste it in person. Various kinds of pubs, coffee bars, tea houses, and other amusement centers will make you feel at ease. As the fast development of tourist industry, those related tourist facilities are also in a quick growth. Nowadays, there are more than 30 star rated hotels in the city, among which 3 hotels are 5-star rated. 5-star rated, right? 5-star rated. Broke off the ruthless rule. 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 Recommended tour information, hiking adventures, further reading, dining, shopping, festivals. Last updated on August 8th, 2023. I'll just tap on shopping. Changchun shopping. Okay, let's check it out. Changchun is very convenient for shopping, really. Chongqing Lu means road. Guangfu Market, Renmin Plaza, or Citizens Plaza, etc. are all crowded business area. Moreover, there are many large malls waiting for you, such as Changchun Department Store, Baihui Shangdian, Changbaishan Shopping Center, International Trade Center, Charter Shopping Center, and the like. There's a typo there. D is missing after AN. And the like. Some of the stores in the city sell, I think some of the stores is correct one. There is missing there, article. Some of the stores in the city sell specialty local products of Jilin province and some handcrafts made by local peasants, such as wood carvings, grass intertextures, bark pictures, feather pictures, and so on, and all make unique gifts for friends and relatives. In addition, you can buy authentic ginsengs and deer antlers at low price. I think authentic ginseng is a singular, right? Ginseng and deer antlers at low price. Koreans love ginseng and deer antlers. Ginseng and deer antlers. Not deer horns, is antlers, right? Deer antlers. 노경, 뉴용, Chongqing-Lu Business Street. It is the most famous business street in the city. Changchun General Merchandise Center, International Trade Center, Charter Shopping Center, Wangfujing Shopping Mall, Walmart Supermarket can all be found here. Bus route number 62 and 362. Guilin Lu Commercial Street. It is a large business area mixed with shopping and entertainment. Hong Long Supermarket, Jilin Lu Market, Lufthansa Shopping Center, and so on can cater for you. Bus route number 62, 362, 281, 277, and 25. Hongqi-Jie Business Area, Heishui Lu Business Area. It is a very big, comprehensive, and influential wholesale market and renowned throughout Jilin province. Changjiang-Lu Pedestrian Street. It is located in the south of the city's railway station. Fashionable and elegant environment will definitely make you feel at ease. Jinbujie. You can find a number of monopoly stores selling religious items. Really, monopoly stores. Monopoly, right? Communist country, monopoly is permitted. Walmart Supermarket. Okay, so they have a Walmart supermarket. That's American market, Walmart. Hong Kong Long supermarket. Sumptuous and fashionable shopping center. Sumptuous. I think a glitzy is much better word. Charter shopping center. Being one of the top malls in the city, it provides you commodities of top grade international, Asian, and Chinese brands. Changchun International Commercial Center. Designed according to modern business center buildings, it is in front of Changchun Railway Station. Parkson Shopping Center. It is a Malaysia chain shopping center located in the downtown area, providing you clothes, cosmetics, jewelries, and bags, etc. Jewelry. I think jewelry is more correct. Not jewelry is, it's got to be singular, right? Jewelry is like a craft. Changchun Department Store, it is the largest general merchandise center throughout Jilin province. Changchun International Trade Center, located in the downtown area, it is one of the top grade shopping centers in the city. Local specialties, wood carvings. Changchun wood carvings are of exquisite shape and design, high quality and rich content. Ginseng. Ginseng is one of 3 treasures of dongbei, northeast part of China. It is honored as number 1 of Hebei herbal plants. Wild ginseng of Changbai Mountain is of top class. Deer's antler. Just like a ginseng, deer's antler is also one of the 3 treasures of dongbei. It is mainly produced in Changbai Mountain area, coming from newly born antlers of the spotted deer. Deer's antler has a very high value of nutrition. Special shopping site has a very high value of nutrition. Changbai Shanhuo goods, wild ginseng, deer products, bee products, wild Ganoderma lucidum, a type of mushroom, etc. Puppet Emperor's Palace, Curia Street, goods, calligraphies and paintings, tourist souvenirs, special local products. Jilin Provincial Art Association, goods, paintings, handcrafts, curios, specialty local product. Jinhua Gallery, calligraphies, paintings, curios, and handicrafts. Well, that's just about it. I just read these articles to practice English by reading them aloud. I usually read like every day for 20 to 30 minutes, and today's reading is about the length of 25 minutes. And the reason I read this article is to understand more about Changchun, the famous Chinese city, which was formerly known as Korean City a long time ago. And I was there 2 weeks ago. It was very cold, but it's not that cold compared to Korea's winter. People there are friendly, and it was a very vast city. I like the city, so that's why I read this article. Thanks for listening, and hope you enjoyed this article, and let's meet in another video. Take care and have a wonderful Christmas. Merry Christmas. Today is 24th of December of 2023. Bye-bye.